We're going to do a brief video on AAPL, Apple stock analysis, and we've got a daily chart on here for you of Apple. We have a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. Let's take a look at this stock real quick from a longer term. We can see the 200-day moving average is just starting to flat out across here and give us essentially a point which the stock's oscillating around, which is of course not what it's supposed to be doing. You'll notice here, and here it bounced off of it and continued its rally. Here it broke through and entered a bear market, but right here we're oscillating back and forth, and that's not real helpful for a technical analysis tool. But let's take a look at it and see what's going on. We can see we put in a high for Apple back here. This is a daily chart, so back roughly around January of 2022. Put in a high there of 182 and put in a bear market low here in June of this year, 2022, of about 129. You can see that this stock has good respect during this bear market for the 20-day moving average. It would have kept you short all the way down on the first run and would have kept you long through the top of this bull market rally in a bull rally in a bear market. So we're getting good respect for the 20-day moving average, so we have to take a look at it again. You can look and see right here that the 20 days clearly rolled over. It's below the 200-day. The 5-day is rolled down, and everything, the price is below the 5 is below the 20 below the 200. This is a bear market, so there's just no way to get around that. Is it a severe bear market in Apple? No, not really, but it's definitely a bear market situation for this stock. Apple's right now trading 31 million shares, and it's not yet noon. Average daily volume is about 74 million shares. It's up a little over 1% at $1.73. The price $152.45 roughly. But those things look good for Apple. This chart does not look good for Apple. This, as I said, it's in a bear market right now. It's not obviously the same kind of bear market we had in the spring, but it's still a bear market. You'll notice this day here, May 11th, this stock dropped almost $10 in one day. Then the next day it dropped another, whatever that is, $8. You'll notice down here dropped $8. So this stock can even an Apple stock, a quality stock like Apple, very broadly held, can gap down. As you'll notice, this stock went from approximately 147 all the way to 129. So that's almost $20. What is that? $18 in about 3 or 4 days, 5 days. So you could easily get this stock down here in the 139 level. The low for Friday was 148. You could easily be down here at the 139 level, no problem, in a few days if this stock continues to sell off. I'm not trying to make a bear market analysis of this stock. I'm just looking at the chart. In order for this stock to rally and get back up to the 200-day moving average and close above it, which is what it's got to do to get in bull market territory, we need to see a turnaround in the 5-day and a turnaround in the 20-day, and you're just not going to get that until probably, you're probably looking at 2, 3, probably maybe 3 weeks, maybe even longer, probably 3 weeks until you can get those averages to turn around, get the price above them, and get this thing moving back up into the 165 territory. So my analysis of this stock right this second, just taking a totally for entertainment purposes, you're looking at a low 140 stock right now. And then maybe you can get some turnaround there. And again, to get it, price has got to get above the 5, above the 20, and everything's got to be headed towards the 200-day moving average to have any kind of chance of escaping this bear market. I see downside risk in this again of about 140-ish. I'm not saying it's going there. I'm just saying it's my opinion for entertainment purposes only. But that's what I would say. Just look at it right now. Around 140-ish by the end of the month could definitely happen. Let's take a look and see what RBAM Research says about it. We put out 190 algorithmically generated entry prices every day before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, and these are today's for the 19th. It says zeros across here for the 1, 5, and 20 trading day holding periods. That means it does not indicate it's a good stock to buy today. And you'll notice there's a lot of zeros here today, and that's in general because the market has a lot of bear market stocks. We just put up a video on NIO. It's one of the few that is a a rallying stock. Let's take a look and see what our trend following system is. We have a proprietary trend following system we put out for YouTube followers only, and still in beta. It's a 30-day hold. It uses moving averages, but it's more complicated than that, and more sophisticated than that. And Apple is indicated as a short today, and shorting for entertainment purposes only at 151 and 35 cents. So let's see if it got there. 151.35. And it's traded through that, so you could have traded through that and gotten short on that signal, again for entertainment purposes only, but it does indicate short. You'll notice also down here on this trend following, it's got the SP 500 E-mini futures contract short today, and Tesla short, Ford short. Everything's on here showing shorts except for the airlines, American Airlines and Delta. But again, all for entertainment purposes only. All this comes out, with the exception of these trend following prices, all these come out for 190 stocks every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. Absolutely free, no credit card required. There's a link in the description below. You can go to rbamresearch.com, sign up, and get them all absolutely free for 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures. Again, no credit card required, and you can get them for free. They're out at least before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, sometimes the evening before. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you think moving averages are horrible and don't mean or amount to anything, please leave us a comment in the section below and let us know. If you love moving averages, please let us know that as well. We'd love to hear from you. And keep in mind, everything you've heard or seen on here, including the entry prices and my commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. Can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You trade at your own risk, and you must do your own analysis.